Welcome to Future Fuel, your go-to channel for the latest updates and insights on the automotive world. Today, we're diving into a vehicle that has been a staple of reliability, efficiency, and innovation for decades: the 2025 Toyota Corolla. Buckle up as we explore what makes the new Corolla a standout in its class. The Toyota Corolla has always been synonymous with practicality and dependability. But the 2025 model takes things to an entirely new level. With a fresh design, advanced technology, and enhanced performance, the Corolla isn't just keeping up with the times, it's setting new standards. Exterior design, sleek and sophisticated. First impressions matter, and the 2025 Corolla delivers with its sleek, modern aesthetics. Toyota's designers have given the Corolla a sharper front fascia, complete with angular LED headlights and a bold grille that exudes confidence. The streamlined body lines not only enhance its sporty appearance, but also improve aerodynamics for better fuel efficiency. Available in a range of new colors, including an eye-hacking metallic blue and a sophisticated pearl white, the Corolla offers something for everyone. Whether you're commuting to work or heading out for a weekend getaway, this car is sure to turn heads. Interior, comfort meets cutting-edge tech. Step inside the 2025 Corolla and you're greeted by an interior that's both functional and luxurious. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and ergonomic seats make every drive a pleasure. But the real highlight is the tech. At the center of the dashboard is a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, now featuring Toyota's latest multimedia platform. It comes equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easier than ever to stay connected. The system is intuitive, fast, and customizable, ensuring a seamless user experience. The audiophiles, the available JBL premium sound system, transforms the cabin into your personal concert hall. And for those chilly mornings or hot summer days, the dual-zone climate control and optional heated and ventilated seats ensure maximum comfort. Performance. Efficiency meets excitement. Under the hood, the 2025 Corolla offers multiple powertrain options to suit a variety of needs. The standard 2.2-liter dynamic force engine delivers a perfect balance of power and efficiency, providing smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy. For those seeking an eco-friendly option, the hybrid variant continues to impress with improved battery technology and a combined fuel efficiency of over 50 miles per gallon. Toyota has also introduced an all-wheel drive option for the hybrid model, giving drivers enhanced control and confidence in varying road conditions. Whether you're navigating city streets or taking on winding mountain roads, the Corolla offers a composed and responsive ride. Safety. Toyota's commitment to your well-being. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Corolla is no exception. It comes standard with the latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite, which includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. New for this model year is the addition of a driver monitoring system, which uses advanced sensors to ensure you're staying alert behind the wheel. These features make the Corolla one of the safest cars in its segment, giving you peace of mind on every journey. Value. A car for everyone. The 2025 Toyota Corolla continues to offer incredible value, with a starting price that remains competitive, combined with low maintenance costs and Toyota's reputation for reliability. The Corolla is an investment that pays off for years to come. From young professionals to families and even retirees, the Corolla caters to a wide range of drivers. It's a car that adapts to your lifestyle, offering practicality without compromising on style or performance. Final thought. The 2025 Toyota Corolla proves that even an iconic car can evolve and innovate. It's more than just a commuter car. It's a statement of efficiency, safety, and modern design. Thank you for tuning into Future Fuel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2025 Corolla. Is it the perfect car for you? Stay tuned for more exciting content, and as always, drive safe.